On the application, what do I use for name of applicant if I have not set an entity up yet? If you do not have an entity set up yet, apply using your first and last name as the named insured party. Once you get an LLC or any formal entity established, we can easily amend the named insured. If you do have an entity established, it's very important that you list that along with any affiliated DBAs with that company on the application. How do I account for inspectors working as subcontractors or independent contractors? If inspectors work for you as a 1099 subcontractor or independent contractor, it's important to indicate whether they work exclusively for your company and if he or she has an E&O insurance policy of their own. If they are a true subcontractor with their own insurance, we can provide you with an independent contractor agreement that protects both parties. Are all home inspectors licensed where required? We understand that in some states, you must show proof of insurance before your home inspector license is issued. So answering no will not prevent you from getting a quote or even a policy in force. Once your policy is bound and your license is issued, simply email a copy of your license to your agent so we have it on file. I am a new home inspector and don't have any revenue yet. How do I fill that section out? That question is merely asking for estimates about revenues. A practical estimate for a new inspector starting out is $25,000, and after 1 year of being in business, we will have a more finite number to reference for the following year's application. Don't worry if your revenues exceed that number in the first year. We hope that they do. Why does current E&O insurance policy information matter, and what is my retroactive date? It's critical we are aware of any existing E&O policies in order to provide an accurate quote. Once you've made the right decision to switch to our program, your current carrier will no longer cover past inspections. But don't worry, we will, so long as you've maintained continuous coverage with no lapse at the time you switch. The retroactive date, which can be found on your policy declarations, is very important because it determines how far back we can cover all of your past inspections. What limits should I choose? First and foremost, you need to be compliant with any state and local insurance requirements. We can provide you information on those requirements, but your best bet is to contact licensing boards directly where applicable. If you're in an unlicensed state, we can show you limits ranging from $100,000 up to $2 million and points in between. The amount of insurance you carry is a personal choice, but our agents are happy to provide you guidance and insight with our years of experience insuring home inspectors. What is a loss run report and what do I do with it? Past and potential claims need to be listed on the application. If you've reported an incident, claim, or lawsuit to your carrier within the last 5 years, we will need what's called a loss run report from your agent along with the who, what, when, where, and why related to the matter. The loss run report gives a detailed explanation of the expense of the claim, including attorney's fees and settlement damages, if any. If there was a zero loss, it will show that too. It's also very important that you disclose any potential claims just the same. We look forward to assisting you with all of your insurance and risk management needs. Thank you.